Hey there guys, it's Shaqtech from Shaqtech here and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm back with the old girl, the old 190E, and we're going to be trying to replace the air filter, do an air filter service today. Should be pretty straightforward, so let's get right into it. So first things first is there's 4 10mm bolts that we got to take off. Yeah, just grab 10mm screw, these shouldn't be that tight. Essentially finger tight, and yeah, let's take them off. Once you've got the 4 bolts off, we just want to take these clips off, so I believe you can just push these clips. There's 8 clips around the thing. Just pull the little tabs at the bottom up. Pretty easy, too crazy, and then this should just come off. Standing. Like so. And there we have it. There's the original filter and pump. This is the cover. I'm actually going to wire brush this down and repaint it. As you can see, it's a bit of surface rust and it just looks a bit gunky. Stay tuned for a different video on that one. Then simply what you want to do is put a rag. Next what you do is you want to cover the air hole up, so just put a rag, a clean rag or something, just to stop any dirt or debris while you're moving things around coming out. Once you've done that, you can simply just pull this ring out and it should just come out. This one actually doesn't look too bad. But yeah, I got us a new, much better one that we can use. And then grab your new air filter. So I went with a K&N filter. This is the E9178 filter. This is reusable and you can wash it as well afterwards. As always, you know, this is going to add about 100 horsepower to the car. Joking. But yeah, well, I'm interested to see how it is if you do using this new K&N filter. Seems quite a lot more slimmer than the original. But we're going to slide it on top. So it's a lot more slimmer. Just make sure it's nice and seated. Just for comparison, look at the difference in thickness. Even the design is quite different, so interested to see how this goes over time. It'll probably also sound a bit different. But yeah, let's see how that goes. Grab back your cover. Make sure your cover as well at the bottom is clean. In this case here, give it a little wipe, and it is pretty clean. Is then line this back up. So there's a little hole in the middle here, and there's a little hole in the middle here. So you just want to line those up nicely. Those 4 bolts and pins, push it down a little, bolt it back up, clips back on, and you're good to go. Easy as that. I'm going to put all the bolts back together, put it back together, shut the engine, and start the engine up, and maybe we'll hear what it sounds like, see if there's any difference. And there you have it. That was a really simple and easy service to change your air filter, change it over to a K&N air filter. Let's see how that goes over the long term. Sounds fine over the, if you heard in the recording. Sounds a bit more cleaner actually from previous. I should have done it before and after. But yeah, stay tuned for a couple more videos coming on, other serviceable items, and just trying to tidy up stuff on the car. But if you have any other videos you want to see or any ideas for videos, comment them down below. But as always, eyeball one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.